This is a summary of the case against Andre Blackman Bryan and his 32 co-accused.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The One Don Gang, a faction of the St. Catherine-based Klansman gang, was painted on Monday, September 20, as a well-organized and ruthless criminal enterprise that carried out a slew of murders and arson attacks across the parish. Prosecutors pressed home the strength of those claims on day one of the trial of the 33 defendants in the largest and most high-profile gang case in Jamaica, targeting the reputed leader Andre Blackman Bryan in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston. A prosecutor for the Crown, in its opening statement, charged that the 33 collectively engaged in serious criminal activities that were planned and executed under Bryan's absolute command. The double murder in the new nursery community of Spanish Town in September of 2017, where 2 people were shot and killed whilst in their home and then set ablaze, burnt beyond recognition, is demonstrative of the gruesome manner in which the gang operated, the prosecutor said. The Crown, the prosecutor pointed out, is alleging that the defendants are part of the One Don Gang, which is also based in St. Catherine and which carried out a range of murders, conspiracies to murder, extortion and arson throughout the parish between January 1, 2015 and June 30, 2019. Andre Bryan and his co-defendants, Kevon Green, Tomrick Taylor, Damian Elliston, Khalifa Williams, Daniel Mackenzie, Michael Whiteley, Pete Miller, Dylan McLean, Dwight Hall, Carl Beach, Lamar Simpson, Donovan Richards, Tariq James, Stephanie Cole Christie, Fabian Johnson, Jazeel Blake, Roheel Taylor, Roshane Williams, Kemar Harrison, Joseph McDermott, Jermaine Robinson, Rivaldo Hilton, Jason Brown, Andre Golding, Marco Miller, Chevoy Evans, Brian Morris, Andre Smith, Dwayne Salmon, Ricardo Thomas, Ted Prince and Owen Ormsby are being tried on 25 counts under the Criminal Justice Suppression of Criminal Organizations Act and the Firearms Act, to which they have pleaded not guilty. It is the position of the Crown that the Klansman One Don Gang fits the legal definition of a criminal organization, in that it has a clear structural hierarchy and a common purpose, with Andre Bryan as the head, Kevon Green the second in command, and the sub-leaders such as Daniel Mackenzie, the prosecutor declared. The gang, the prosecutor further said, operated from its headquarters in Jones Avenue, Spanish Town, where it had meetings, planning illegal activities, and hosted briefings and debriefings after each illegal mission. All 33 had various roles and responsibilities, including killers or shooters, bankers, drivers, lookout men or watchmen, gunsmiths, armorers, and foot soldiers, the prosecutor told the court. According to the prosecutor, the lone female defendant, Cole Christie, had the esteemed role of being the gang's liaison officer for incarcerated members and those on the outside. She is also responsible, it is alleged, for securing lawyers for gang members and served as a link with unscrupulous cops. Defendants such as Johnson, James, Whiteley, Elliston, Richards, Taylor, and Morris, who reportedly acted as foot soldiers, were charged as being responsible for ensuring that the murders ordered by Bryan were executed as planned and for collecting extortion funds, the prosecutor said. Another defendant, Salmon, was described by the prosecutor as a chemist who was the gang's firearms specialist dealer, who secured guns for purchase and also fixed or modified weapons. 42 witnesses, including 2 self-confessed members of the gang, will give evidence during the trial, which will be supported by ballistic, digital forensic, and biological evidence. The 2 starring witnesses, who have opted to use pseudonyms, will testify via video link from a remote location. According to the prosecutor, both witnesses will give similar accounts of criminal activities that they observed the gang undertaking between 2017 and 2019. The One Don Gang was reportedly established following a split of Klansmen amid an internal power struggle between reputed leader of the Klansmen, Tesha Miller, and Bryan, who allegedly was a top lieutenant of Miller. Control of the lucrative extortion racket, which reportedly rakes in $1.5 million daily, was said by the police to have been at the heart of the conflict. Miller is currently serving a near 39-year prison sentence following his conviction last January on charges of accessory before and after the fact of murder in relation to the 2008 killing of Douglas Chambers, then chairman of the state-owned Jamaica Urban Transit Company.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!